Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to delete playlist on YouTube on iPhone. Please like and watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on iPhone. And then once we're in the top right corner, we click on your account. Click on your channel. Here we have Home, Videos, Playtests, Channels, and About. We click on Playlists. All of our playlists come up. I have 5. If I want to delete any of them, I click on the 3 dots. It says Share, Edit. I click Delete. Now it asks me to delete the playlist. If you agree, you press Delete. Delete, and delete. That's how easy it is to delete a YouTube playlist on your iPhone. If you liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.